When it comes to protecting your Plymouth home from water damage, choosing the right gutter material is just as important as professional installation. Gutters are the first line of defense against rainwater intrusion, basement flooding, foundation cracks, and roof damage. Homeowners in Plymouth, where seasonal rains and winter conditions can put extra stress on gutter systems, need durable, low-maintenance, and cost-effective solutions. Below is a guide to the best materials for gutter installation so you can make an informed decision. Aluminum gutters. Popular and reliable aluminum is one of the most widely used materials for gutter installation in Plymouth homes, and for good reason. Advantages: rust resistant. Unlike steel, aluminum won't corrode over time, making it well suited to Plymouth's mix of rain and snow. Lightweight. Easier and faster to install, reducing labor costs. Customizable. Available in a wide range of colors and can be seamless, minimizing the risk of leaks. Affordable. Offers a balance of cost and longevity. Considerations: while aluminum gutters are durable, they can dent under heavy impact, such as falling branches or ice. Thicker gauge aluminum is recommended for areas with heavy snowfall. Vinyl gutters. Budget-friendly and easy to install for Plymouth homeowners looking for a low-cost solution. Vinyl gutters are an attractive option. Advantages: cost-effective. Typically the most affordable gutter material. Easy DIY installation. Vinyl pieces snap together, making them accessible for homeowners who want to tackle the project themselves. Rust-free. Since vinyl doesn't corrode, it holds up well against moisture. Considerations: vinyl gutters are less durable than aluminum or steel. They can crack in extreme cold, which makes them less ideal during Plymouth's freezing winters. If budget is your top concern, they work well, but may require more frequent replacement. Steel gutters. Strong and durable steel gutters are an excellent choice for Plymouth homes that need a heavy-duty solution. Advantages: high strength. Resistant to impact damage, such as hail or heavy ice buildup. Longevity. Galvanized steel can last for decades with proper maintenance. Stability. Less likely to warp or sag compared to lighter materials. Considerations: steel is prone to rust over time, especially if the protective coating wears off. Regular inspections and maintenance are essential. Stainless steel is rust-resistant but comes at a much higher price point. Copper gutters. Elegant and long-lasting for homeowners who want both performance and curb appeal. Copper gutters are the premium choice. Advantages: exceptional durability. Copper gutters can last 50+ years with minimal maintenance. Rust and corrosion resistant. Ideal for Plymouth's wet and snowy seasons. Aesthetic value. Over time, copper develops a natural patina that adds character to your home. Considerations: copper gutters are significantly more expensive than other materials. They are best suited for high-end homes where aesthetics and long-term value outweigh upfront costs. Zinc gutters. A low-maintenance alternative, though less common than aluminum or steel, zinc gutters are gaining popularity among homeowners who want durability with minimal upkeep. Advantages: extremely long lifespan, often lasting 40 years or more. Corrosion resistant. Naturally forms a protective layer that prevents rust. Eco-friendly. Made from recyclable materials. Considerations: zinc gutters have a higher upfront cost and require professional installation. They're less about affordability and more about investing in longevity. Choosing the right material for your Plymouth home. The best gutter material for your Plymouth home depends on your budget, maintenance preferences, and long-term goals. Budget-friendly, vinyl or aluminum. Balance of cost and durability. Aluminum or galvanized steel. Premium longevity and style. Copper or zinc. No matter which material you choose, professional installation ensures your gutters are properly pitched, securely fastened, and ready to handle Plymouth's rainfall and winter snow. A well-installed gutter system not only protects your foundation and siding but also enhances your home's overall value and curb appeal. Final tip. Always consider seamless gutters if possible. They reduce the risk of leaks, last longer, and offer a cleaner appearance, making them a worthwhile upgrade for Plymouth homeowners.